Hey guys, I'm Sam. I'm the program director here at WJMU 89.5 The Quad, but I want to take you guys on a tour of our upstairs studio. Let's go. We made it. Now this is where the magic happens. Welcome to WJMU. Now, all staffers are granted swipe access to the studio, but a pro tip, make sure that you comb your hair before you get your ID photo taken. This is it. Now, most of these doors in here do belong to WJMU, but right over there, that's the school newspaper, The Deck. Make sure to check them out later. But I want to take you inside our on-air studio. Come on. This is it. This is where all of our live shows take place. Now, if you look right over here, this is our Skyla automation system. Thanks to her, we're on the air 24/7. She runs the show when nobody's here. Now, here at the Quad, we can play all sorts of audio sources. Let me show you. We have our cassette players, which we definitely use a lot of times a day. Our CD players, we can use Spotify. We have an aux cord over here. This is our board. Now, of course, we have our request line, which is used a lot. Our DJs are always answering questions about our on-air schedule, which is right over there. If you look over here, Skyla, she has all of our station's catalog right in there, always ready to play. And lastly, over here, we have our turntable. Now, I want to show you my favorite room in the station, Prod 1. Come with me. Now, this is my favorite room in the whole studio, Production 1. This is where most of our pre-recorded shows are produced. Our Stretching Time was produced in here by Frank Macaluso. Let me take you inside. So you see over here, on this computer, on this Mac, one of two that we have here in the studio, we're working on Pro Tools over here, which is our main editing software. If you look over here, this is where, sort of like Skyla's boss, Skyla producer, lives. This is where I get to generate all of our playlists every week. Very exciting, of course, but the most exciting part of this room is the fridge and the couch. Now you may be wondering, Sam, how many naps have you taken on this couch? The answer? There is no answer, it's countless. Now this is Production 2. This is our smaller producing studio, but we do a lot of work in here. We produce things like legal IDs, station IDs, show intros, things like that. Now if you look over here, this is our second Mac. We use Pro Tools to edit everything, just like in Prod 1. But if you look over here, this is our streaming service, okay? All of our shows are available 24/7 around the world thanks to this streaming service. You want to listen to WJMU in China? You could do it. Now, this service also can record anything we ask it to. I record my show, Big Blue Broadway, every week, just in case my friends or family miss an episode. And that's about it here at WJMU. All these spaces are my favorite spaces on campus. It's quiet, it's removed from the chaos of the Millie bubble, and I get really, really good focused work done when I'm here. WJMU is a cool example of Milliken's promise of performance learning because I got to learn radio production and performance by doing radio production and performance. I host a live show. I make station IDs. I'm the program director here. I get to make playlists every week, just like I would at a real job off campus. Profmeister is always available for us one-on-one. That's the difference here at a small school. But I think that's about it. So keep your dial locked on 89.5 The Quad, and I hope to see you on campus.